Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set up a bot that will trade for you around the clock and generate profits even while you sleep. So let's get started. Trading bots on Bybit are automated programs that independently buy and sell cryptocurrency based on predefined algorithms. They can operate on both the spot market with real assets and the futures market with leverage of up to 100. To get started, go to the main page, click on Trade, then click on the three dots in the upper left corner and select Trading Bots. On the screen, a control panel will appear with categories of bots in the center. Let's start with spot bots that work with real coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, with no risk of liquidation. In the menu, select the Spot Grid bot. This tool takes over the trading process. It buys coins when their price falls and sells when it rises. Your funds are divided into two parts. One goes to buying, and the other is reserved for buying more if the price moves against you. Profits are generated from price fluctuations. It's important to remember, the grid bot performs best in a sideways market where the price oscillates within a range. Its effectiveness may decrease during strong price increases or decreases. Let's break down how to set up the bot to generate profits. Go to the Spot Grid section. Click to select a pair and find Sol USDT using Spot. Volume filter. Choose manual mode in the bot settings. Set the lower limit of the range, for example, $120. Set the upper limit of the range, for example, $185. Specify 20 trades. The bot will divide the range into 20 parts, each bringing about 2.7% profit. Enter the amount you want to invest. Click Create Bot, and it will start working. Don't know which price range to choose? Just click the AI strategy button. Bybit will automatically suggest optimal levels by analyzing the historical price movement. This is especially convenient for beginners. Before we move on, please support this video with a like and leave a comment. It helps grow the channel and motivates us to create even more useful content. Another interesting tool on the platform is the Smart Portfolio or AI bot. Go to the corresponding tab and you'll find ready-made portfolios or the option to create your portfolio. This bot automatically rebalances assets. It sells coins that have significantly increased in price and buys those that have decreased to maintain a set ratio, such as 40% BTC, 40% ETH, and 20% Doge. The interface displays the current portfolio balance, its returns, and a rebalance button to manually start the process. When you click on a currency pair, such as Doge USDT, a panel will open with two options, AI strategy and manual mode. The AI strategy analyzes the market and suggests a ready-made price range, number of grids, and amount. For example, a minimum of $24 for Doge USDT. In manual mode, you can set the parameters yourself. At the bottom of the panel, you can see the estimated profit per grid and the minimum amount. The AI mode will be easier for beginners to test the mechanics. Now let's move on to more advanced tools. The Futures Grid bot works with contracts and allows you to profit from both rising and falling prices using leverage. Select Futures Grid bot and you will see subcategories, Futures Grid, DCA, CTA, and quantitative trading. The Futures Grid is similar to the spot version, but here you can choose long or short. Go to the Futures Grid tab, select a pair, such as BTC USDT, and you will see a panel with AI strategy and manual mode. In AI mode, the platform offers ready-made parameters, price range, number of grids, and leverage. In manual mode, you can set these parameters yourself. On the right, the minimum amount will be displayed, for example, $34, along with an example using 5x leverage, which also shows the estimated liquidation price. At the top of the panel, there is a risk parameters button where you can choose between isolated and cross margin, as well as set leverage from 1x to 125x. There is also a trailing grid switch that moves the range of orders with the market during sharp price changes. A useful tip for beginners: start with moderate leverage, 2x to 5x. This will help reduce the risk of liquidation and give you more room to maneuver in case of volatility. By the way, we have a Telegram channel where a smart AI agent tracks market trends in real time. There you will find the most important news and fresh analysis, trading ideas and signals, a chat with active traders, and very soon, a personal AI assistant for participants. Join us via the link in the description and become part of a community that trades smart. On the platform, there is also a Futures DCA bot available in the DCA tab. This bot gradually buys assets as their prices decrease to lower the average cost of your position. It can work on both the spot market and in futures. Select a currency pair, such as ETH USDT, and you will see a panel with options for AI strategy and manual mode. On the right, the minimum amount, historical returns, and a create button will be displayed. In the settings, you can set the frequency of purchases and the maximum number of orders. The more frequently the bot averages the price, the more stable the results will be, but this will require more funds. Managing bots. At the bottom of the page, there is a section called My Bots, where all your active strategies are displayed. Here, you can see currency pair, type, spot, or futures, current profit, floating P&L, used margin. On the right, you will find action buttons for management. Configure, change parameters, close, stop the bot, copy settings, create a new bot with the same parameters, share, showcase the strategy on social media. Next to it is the History tab, which displays completed bots with their final returns, launch dates, and closing dates. In the bot ratings section, you can find top strategies from other users, sorted by returns, popularity, or type. Click on an interesting strategy, and a window will open with its parameters and a copy button to launch the same one. Tip: it is recommended to test other people's strategies in demo mode before deploying real funds. Demo mode on Bybit is the perfect start for beginners. In the Demo Trading tab, you can test any trading bots. Spot Grid, DCA, CTA, and all of this using virtual funds with no risk to your deposit. It's a great way to understand the mechanics of trading before moving on to real trades. If you have questions about setup, check out the educational section on Bybit. There you will find video tutorials and guides on strategies, risk management, and setup nuances. Remember, bots are not a guarantee of profit. They are a tool for automation. Control your risks and allocate your capital wisely. Now you know how to launch a bot and generate passive income. Want more strategies, analysis, and earning ideas? Join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. If you found the video helpful, give it a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and see you in the next episodes.